Welcome back to an episode of Cyber Talks. Without wasting our time, moving to our first update of the day are from PAN-OS authentication bypass. And this one is critical. Palo Alto Networks, one of the biggest names in network security, has confirmed that attackers are actively exploiting a flaw in their PAN-OS software. The vulnerability is called CV20260257. So what does it do? Basically, it lets attackers skip the login process entirely and create unauthorized VPN connection into your network. No password needed, just walk right in. The scary part is that security from Rapid7 confirmed this has already been successfully exploited across multiple organizations, and the attackers started as far back as mid-day May. If your organization uses Palo Alto firewalls and Global Protect enabled, you need to apply the patch today, not tomorrow, today. Second update are from 40 client EMS credentials stealer. Number 2 is also critical, and honestly this one is sneaky. Attackers are exploiting a flaw in 40 client EMS. That's an endpoint management tool used by businesses to manage all their computers and devices from one place. The CV is 2026-35616 with a severity score of 9.1 out of 10. Here is how the attack works. The attackers get into the system, then pushes out what looks like a normal Fortinet software update to every device on the network, but it's not an update, it's malware, especially a credential stealer called EKZ info stealer that runs silently in the background via PowerShell. So employees think they are getting a routine update, but their passwords are being stolen in the background. Fortinet has fixed this in version 7.4.7. If you are on 7.4.5 or 7.4.6, update immediately and audit your endpoint for any suspicious PowerShell activity. Third update are from ChatGPT. Number 3 is fascinating and alarming. AI related vulnerability. Researchers discovered something called ChatGPT. Here the simple version. When you ask ChatGPT to summarize a web page, it trusts that page. If an attacker has planted malicious link or image on that page, ChatGPT will pull them in and display them as live, clickable links inside your chat, as if they came from ChatGPT itself. So you are reading a summary, you see a link, you trust it, but because it is inside ChatGPT interface and you click, that link could take you to a phishing page designed to steal your login credentials. This is a new class of attack. The fix for now is awareness. Don't click link inside ChatGPT summarized from website you don't fully trust. Security teams should include this in user awareness training. 4 updates are from Vault jacking. Number 4 is one that could affect millions of everyday users. A new attack technique called vault jacking has been discovered. It targets Google Password Manager, the built-in password vault that hundreds of millions of people use to save their password in Chrome and Android. The attack only needs a single pin to unlock and expose your entire vault. That means if an attacker gets brief access to your device or exploit a remote vulnerability, they don't need your Google account password, just the pin. Once they are in, every saved password is exposed, your banking apps, your email, your work account, everything. The advice here is turn on two-factor authentication for your Google account right now and don't rely solely on a pin protected vault as your only layer of security. Fifth update are from Angular extension flaw. Number 5 is aimed directly at developers. Security researchers found serious vulnerability in the Angular language service, a popular extension used inside Visual Studio Code by developers building Angular web applications. This extension is installed by millions of developers worldwide. The flaw allows attackers to execute malicious code on a developer machine, potentially without the developer doing anything other than opening a compromised project folder. This is what's called a supply chain attack at the developer level. If a developer machine is compromised, the malicious code can end up in the product they are building, affecting their company customers too. Developer, update your Angular language service extension right now and be careful about opening project folder from unknown or untrusted sources. Sixth update are from NPM supply chain attack. Number 6 is another supply chain attack, this time through NPM, that's the package manager used by JavaScript and not Node.js developers. Attackers published fake packages with name almost identical to popular tools like OpenSearch and Elasticsearch. This technique is called typo squatting, banking on the fact that developers sometimes mistype a package name when installing. When a developer accidentally installs the wrong package, it silently steals cloud credentials and CI/CD pipeline secrets in the background. With those secrets, attackers can access load, cloud infrastructure, deploy rogue code, or leak sensitive data. If you are a developer or work in DevOps, always double check package names before installing. Use log files, run npm audit regularly, and set up alert for unexpected new package in your pipeline. 7 updates are from GitLab security patches. And finally, number 7, GitLab released an important batch of security patches. 3 new versions were released: 19.0.1, 18.11.4, and 18.10.7. These patches fix 7 vulnerabilities, including flaw in GitLab Duo, AI assistant, denial of service bugs, and authorization bypasses. The authorization bypass issues are particularly worth nothing. They could allow someone to access repository or perform action they shouldn't be allowed to. If your team runs a self-hosted GitLab instance, update it to the latest patched version today and review your SS logs for anything unusual. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Stay aware, stay updated, stay aware, stay safe.